Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Small Seed Factory by Pazor on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, crossplay mod, and I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the 4 Fields map. This is Factory. There it is. Pretty cheap, $40,000 to place down. No alternates or configuration options. Pretty simple. I don't think you can go inside unless by nefarious means. No. Nope. Production point here. So you could turn, well, crop, barley, corn, oats, or wheat into seeds at a rate of 100 of crop, whichever one it is, 10 seed treating liquid, and you'll get 100 liters of seeds. I'm going to put corn in there, and we're going to turn on the corn. Now, seed treating liquid, it says 10,000 liters. We're going to see how far that goes with 20,000 liters of corn. I know there's a mathematical equation there. Now, seed treating liquid, if we go up here, pallets and seed treating liquid, you can buy it, or if you have the liftable pallets and bale mod, you can get it for $0. But there is, well, I can't remember if there's another mod out there that that's silage additive. I know there's a silage additive tank, but seed treating liquid there might be. I would have thought that the modder would have added maybe a bulk tank of seed treating liquid just because it holds so much. But anyways, I put some in there, and we're running it, and we're going to test it. All right, so after a month of production, we have seeds. It's in pallet form, as you can see here. We got 4,000 liters, and we actually have 16,000 liters of seed. It's soaked up. Oh, look at that. So 10,000 liters, not 10,000, I had about, how many? 20, yeah. Not a whole lot of liquid. It chewed up all the corn. So that ate up the corn pretty quick at 216 cycles per month. So, yeah, there it is. So decent. If you had them all turned on or had all the different kinds of corn and seeds and stuff like that, it would have obviously produced, well, 16 times how many? It could have been times 4, but you would have needed more seed treating liquid. But there you have it. So seems to work just fine. Small Seed Factory. Thanks for watching. Bye now.